Well, hello Ireland, Paul Akers in the United States. You know, a very special event is happening on the 20th of March at 2:30 in Shannon, Ireland. John from CW Applied Technology is hosting an event where he's going to bring in Ryan and Martin Tierney from CD Matters, an exceptional Irish company that's practicing 2-second lean and continuous improvement. And Ryan and Martin are going to be speaking to everyone there about how to build this dynamic culture. This event is for the hungry, people who want to move to the next level, not for the curious, but people who really want to make it happen. John's an exceptional person. He's doing a great job transforming his organization with 2-second lean. And Ryan and Martin have been phenomenal examples at CD Matters up in the north of Ireland on how to do that. Now they're coming down to the south to kind of spread that message and let you know what could happen in Ireland if you really embrace this concept, because it is more fun than anything you will ever do in your life. So remember, 2:30, March 20th, Applied Technology, Shannon, Ireland. It's going to be an incredible event, and we can't wait to see you there. Thanks a lot.